DSA is dead. System design is the future. LeetCode is useless. Sounds familiar, right? But what if I told you this advice is secretly destroying thousands of developer careers every single day? In the next few minutes, I will show you why system design is not replacing DSA, why people who skip DSA keep getting rejected, and the exact roadmap top engineers follow. And trust me, what I am about to show you in the next few minutes, most people will never realize. Let me tell you about two developers. Developer A knows system design buzzwords, talks about microservices, and tries to implement microservices in the smallest application possible. Watches YouTube videos on architecture. Developer B practices DSA daily, struggles solving problems, doesn't sound fancy. Interview result: Developer A gets rejected, Developer B gets selected. Why? Because interviews are not what you know, they are about how you think, and DSA is the only thing that trains that. Let's destroy this myth using real systems. When you open Instagram, surface level that is system design shows feed generation, a ranking algorithm, distributed caching, whereas in reality it uses DSA, priority queue for ranking post, hash map for storing user preferences, graphs for follower networks. Without DSA, you are just memorizing words. But wait, it gets deeper. When you book a ride, system design shows match drivers, optimize routes, handle real-time updates, while DSA behind it says heap for nearest driver, graph for shortest path, queue for ride allocation. This is not system design. This is DSA in disguise. And the next one is where most people fail. You type something on Google. System design says indexing billions of pages, ranking results, but internally it is using DSA. Try for fast prefix search, hashing for indexing, graph for page ranking. If you don't understand DSA, you don't understand any system. Now let's talk about uncomfortable truth. Why people skip DSA? It's frustrating. Progress is slow, no instant results. System design feels easier because it's visual, it's conceptual, it feels like real engineering, but it's an illusion. Let's break hiring reality. Freshers are asked DSA up to 80% of the times and 20% fundamentals. 2 to 5 years of experience, DSA plus a few system design questions. Senior level, high level system design, low level system design, fundamentals, everything. So you don't skip levels in this game. If you are serious about your career, follow this. Step 1, arrays plus hashing. Step 2, stacks, queues. Step 3, trees, graphs. And once you are done with the DSA, there comes your step 4, which is system design. This is how top 1% engineers grow. Most people fail not because they are not smart, but because they skip the boring part. Let me leave you with this. System design is not the new DSA. It's what comes after DSA. And if you skip DSA, you are not saving time, you are delaying success. I have attached one roadmap for you in the description if you want a step-by-step guide. So like, share and subscribe, because next video I will be showing how to master DSA without burning out. Thank you.